All right, here we go. This is multiplying fractions models, day 3. Here we go. Awesome. Okay, right here, the first thing we're going to do is when we look at this thing, we're going to identify where they put the darkest blocks. Where did they put the darkest blocks? In the bottom left corner. So I'm going to start with the bottom left corner and number them. 1, 2, 3. And then right here, we're going to go ahead and count up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. All right, so we know right there my denominators are going to be what? Does anybody want to raise their hand and let me know? Yes, Jemiah.
3 and 7.
3 and 7, absolutely. Great job. All right. So 3, 7. Those are my denominators. All right, we'll worry about what it equals in a minute. So let's go ahead and try our little method we did over here where we start at our 1 and we'll keep going until we fall into the lava or ice, fire or ice. It's a song of fire or ice. All right, here we go. Start at 1. Let's go on. It doesn't matter which way you're going. It really doesn't. All right, I'm just dealing with the 1 out of 3 right here, so we'll see. All right, we're going to go all the way to the top. Any lava or ice? Nope, we're good. All right, 2. Any lava or ice? Nope, we're good. 3, nope, that'll hit lava and ice. All right, so 2 out of these 3, I can make it to the end. 2 out of these 3 are shaded all the way to the end. All right, then right here, we're going to start on our 7, and to do our 7 of them here, we'll start on 1. Let's go. 1 all the way to the end. Good. 2 all the way to the end. Good. 3 all the way to the end. Good. And 4 all the way to the end. Good. How about 5?
No.
Nope. So 4 out of these 7, 4 out of these 7, I can make it all the way to the end. And see, you don't have to write your denominators in the beginning. You could do it as soon as you realize it's 4 and you see it out of 7, you can write 4, then 7 here. So don't think the first thing you have to do is go ahead and put your denominators down. I just like getting those blocks filled in as quick as possible because that way it's less things I have to worry about. All right. So now right here, we could do the math. We could do it mathematically, but instead let's go ahead and use our visuals. So how many places do I have these crosses at? Let's see. How many blocks are double shaded? The double shaded are the ones with where I crossed over. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So it's going to equal 8. And 2 times 4 is 8. So it makes sense. All right, now we're going to go ahead and work down here. We're going to see how, to get that denominator, how many boxes are there in all. Now there's 2 ways to tell. We can just
21.
count each one. But yes.
21.
21. And how did you go about it?
I just counted.
You counted them all? And that's great. You can actually count them all. There's 7 rows of 3, so you get 7, 14, 21. That's one way to do it. Another way is to also 7 times 3. Your 2 denominators, which would also be doing the mathematically route. 3 times 7, 21. 7 times 3, 21. So count them, or you can multiply your end ones if it's just so many you don't feel like counting them. All right. But you can always count them to double check and make sure you got it right. All right, and that's it right there for that one. And we're going to go ahead and move to the next one. Once again, if it is starting to click with you, feel free to move forward. But I'm going to go ahead and continue at this pace with them. All right, so we start in our darkest corner. This time, our darkest corner is in that top right. All right, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And I'm going to wait to start the denominators. Yes, we can get our denominators from that, but I'm going to show you the other way of doing this. Let's just go ahead and continue on through. Start with 1. Let's go all the way to the end. No lava, no ice. All right, going this way now, because the second one would have it. So that means if I can only go 1 out of these 4 all the way down, what's going to be my first equation down here? 1 over 4. Because 1 out of 4 of these, no ice, no lava. All right, times. Now let's start with 1 here. All the way across, yep. 2, all the way across, yep. 3, all the way across, yep. All right, so I know 3, not 4 obviously, that'll hit that ice, or that lava. So 3 out of these 6 over 6 equals. All right, so let's get that top number, that numerator, 1, 2, 3. Out of how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. 24. Let's see if that makes sense. 4 times 6. 24. All right, now are we done with this problem?
No.
Nope, bless you. Up here it says simplify if necessary. So, Chrysalie. Simplify. Simplifying. That's why you pay attention. Okay. So right here, how many times? Oh, so what's the biggest number that fits in the 3 and 24 here?
8.
It has to fit in the 3 also.
2.
3. Yeah, it's going to be 1 and 3 are the only factors for 3 here.
Right?
Yeah, so it's 3. So 3 is the biggest number that goes in the top. So 3 goes into 3 how many times? 1 time. All right. 3 goes into 24 how many times? We can always look over our shoulder here. 8. 8. Because 3 times 8 is 24. Now you can set up your dividing problem, your long division. You can do it that way. But I'm just going ahead and let you know you can also look up your multiplication table. Google image search multiplication table. It's one way to do it. All right. Or I know you guys probably just have calculators everywhere.
Are we gonna have calculator?
Not on a lot of the parts of the quiz, so I want you guys to... All right, I'm going to zoom it out so you can check it out while I continue. All right, there we go. All right, down here, where's my darkest corner? Anybody want to raise their hand? Tell me what corner is the darkest.
Bottom left.
Bottom what?
Bottom right.
Bottom right, absolutely. So right down here, I'm going to start. 1, 2. Oh, well, that was easy. Not this way, though. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. They fit a lot of spots in one little space there. All right. Are you good? I can go and zoom in on this now. Here we go. So let's go ahead. We can figure out our denominators, but instead I'm just going to go through with it. All right, so 1 right here. 1, all the way from it. Yep. 2, nope. So 1 out of 2. 1 out of 2. I can go all the way to the end. Done? All right, we're going to pause this and come back to it.